Matterpod.
What is up guys, I'm Professional Tech here, and today we will be reviewing the Alienware Tactex keyboard. So if you do enjoy this video, remember to drop a like and also subscribe for my first video. Something to mention before the start of the video, this is my first video on YouTube, and so if the quality isn't 100%, just stick with me and the quality will improve over time. Start off with, I would just like to mention that I've had this keyboard for about 3 years now and it is working fine, completely fine. Every piece of it is still in great condition and it served me well. Two sections of the keyboard that you can change colours, the colours of, and I usually go with blue and pink to match the LED backstrip that I've got along the back of my desk. So as you can see from the video in the background, this keyboard has some really nice LEDs that backlight it, and they are pretty bright and you can change them in the Alienware control panel. This Alienware keyboard actually does have some really nice macro keys that you can program to do whatever you want in the Alienware program control center that you get as well. This keyboard is available for about £60 if you want to buy it. I will leave a link in the description to the website. I think the only downside to this keyboard is the fact that it has really chunky wires that you have to connect to your USB port, and the reputation that Alienware has for being overpriced and expensive. The keyboard has a total of 10 macro keys that you can program to do whatever you want, and also it has got turn on and turn off or mute for your sound, and also has play forwards track or play backwards. So to conclude, I would definitely recommend this keyboard to anyone who is looking for a really high quality gaming keyboard, especially as a result of the really nice LEDs that I've talked about. If you've watched this far, I really greatly appreciate it, and if you could like it as well and also subscribe if you're not already, I would be really thankful. Also leave some comments in the comment section below on how I can improve these videos.